This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Spark plug renewal. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell, push the safety catch to one side, then fully open the bonnet and support it with the bonnet prop. Disconnect the battery negative lead, then pull the plastic cover on the top of the engine upwards from its mountings. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from each coil. Undo the retaining screws, grasp the coils firmly and pull them from the top of the spark plugs. If compressed air is available, blow any dirt or foreign material away from the spark plug area before proceeding. A bicycle pump will also work, or use a vacuum cleaner. Use a spark plug socket and extension to remove the spark plugs. The spark plug electrode gap is preset by the manufacturer and should not require adjustment. Before installation, it's a good idea to coat the spark plug threads with a little anti-seize compound. It's often difficult to insert spark plugs into their holes without cross-threading them, so fit a short piece of 8mm ID rubber hose over the end of the spark plug. The flexible hose acts as a universal joint to help align the plug with the plug hole. Should the plug begin to cross-thread, the hose will slip on the spark plug, preventing thread damage. Tighten the spark plugs to their specified torque. Press the ignition coils firmly onto the top of the spark plugs, then tighten the retaining bolts securely. Reconnect each of the ignition coil wiring plugs, then refit the plastic cover to the top of the engine. Reconnect the battery negative lead.